Page 66, long ago. It's in the 4/4 time. It's got two sharps in the key signature, the F sharp and the C sharp. You figure it's D major or B minor. It's D major, okay? At the top of the page, they're introducing a new type of, well, not a new type, but it's new to us, a broken chord pattern. This very common broken chord pattern. You're going to see it a lot. It's simply you take a 3-note chord and you play bottom, top, middle, top. It could be any 3-note chord. It's used a lot in music. You think, wow, the thumb's really busy because it's using a lot. Actually, once you get the hang of it and you're just transferring, you're just basically rolling the hand. Thumb doesn't seem to mind. It's fine. If you do it in the right hand, it's the little finger that gets the work. Again, I'm just rotating the hand. I'm just transferring weight from side of the hand to the other. Because the bottom, top, and the middle, I go back and rotate again even for the middle. Here. You don't have to go fast. It's just I'm trying to show you that this finger used a lot doesn't seem to mind. It's okay. Right hand on this piece. You're here. Lots of eighth notes, but the left hand is playing eighth notes, so it's going to help to keep it going. It's 1 and 2 and 3, and now look out on the fingering. It just changed. On the F, the first F sharp is here, but the second one is here. Because we got a B coming up, we had to change hand positions. That's one way of doing it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the last measure, just scrunch up a little bit and bring the fourth finger down. You do that again. That's really it for the most part on this piece. Put the hands together slowly. Just keep these eighth notes even. Don't forget the C sharps. There's no articulation. It's all legato, but you can lift up between the phrases if you can figure out where the phrases are. Well, listen to the musical sentences in it, and that'll tell you. If you get down to the third line here, I would take both of those measures as one phrase because the dynamic is medium loud here, moderately loud one, and then you're going to echo that. And to me, that would take a new phrase. And then you're back up here. So if you wanted to, in the first line, that's one phrase. And that's one phrase. So I'm suggesting maybe 2 measure phrases here for the most part. Just lift up slightly between each phrase. And the right hand. The left hand is all legato, it stays down. So both of them. Lifting the right hand up, but keeping the left down. Dynamics, sort of soft at the beginning. You have to decide what that is. It's kind of soft. Left hand has to be soft, really soft. We want to hear the right hand. See, if you let that left hand, a lot of times in piano when we have a busy stuff going on here, like we tend to play it out. We're focused on it. And that's what you get. It sounds terrible. So keep the left hand very soft. Just soft enough that it's not getting in the way. Andante, how fast? Well, it's a nice stroll. It's not slow, but it's a little slower than moderato. So it's and that's the overall feel of it, is slow. You have to experiment. You got to get to know the piece well enough that you can feel these dynamics, because you can get louder and softer as you're playing it. Look at the last line. They gave you crescendos and decrescendos down there. It's a see, you've gotten louder up to about a medium loud. Don't get very loud, but a medium loud. Then come down. Well, you can feel getting louder and softer in other places too. Don't play it all medium soft. Ugh. Feel it and come up and down a little bit. Well, you get to know it, and then come back and play it with me. Let's make sure we got the right notes and rhythms. That's the first start. So I'm not going to do any dynamics. We're just going to do notes and rhythms. I'm going to lift up between the phrases in the right hand. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play it together. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and